Okay, this is a how-to on the way to replace a board if you have a bad board. First thing I did was I unscrewed the top section. And you unscrew the top section, you take a look at the piece that's here. You unscrew the screw over here. You unscrew the screw over here. Then in the back, same idea. Back pieces like that. You unscrew the lower screw here, the lower screw here. Pull away this piece, it'll come off. Pull away this piece from the front, it'll come off. And this piece you pull off the top. So now those are all off. It's not a lot of work to do. The screws are very small, and you'll need a proper size screwdriver for those screws. There's two in the back and two in the front. So you take that off, and you then have a board set up that'll look somewhat like this. Now, your unit will have a spacer in it over here. See that I have the spacer here, wooden spacer here. That spacer prevents air from flowing freely in the center and forces the air to the right and to the left to allow for cooling. You leave that centerpiece alone. Don't do anything. What you're doing at this time is you're trying to disable the correct board and not the wrong board. One of these two boards would be your dead board. And I don't always remember which one. So the easiest way to figure out which is the bad board is just simply come over to here, take a look at the pull out wire. This is your communication wire. And if you look right down here, you'll see this little tab here, and you push hard on it. See, my thumb is here, my finger's here. Got a good grip, and I push very hard, and then that just pulls it out. Now at this point, you now have definitely detached a board. Now you don't know if you detached the broken board or if you detached the good board. It's just going to have to be a 50-50 guess. So now, what you would do, you can run the machine with the top off. All you got to do is remember, never go near these two things here. This is where your negative and positive power is. Don't go near this once you plug it in. Over here, you'll plug in your Ethernet cable. Then on the back, over here, you'll plug in your two power cables. The gear will fire up, fans will all blow, and then you'll go to your GUI. Your GUI will tell you if you disabled the bad board or the good board. It's a 50-50 chance. So, the next step for you to do would be to fire up the gear and take a look at it on your GUI. I'm going to shut this video off, make a new video to show you the next step. It